Hi, I'm Shresh. I'm a Nepali graphic designer who lives in US. So, this question came up earlier this week. Is there a scope in graphic design? In my head, I really believe there is a humongous scope. Like endless job opportunities. But most people don't see it that way. It could be because I'm in US, I see it this way. If you're in like another country like Nepal or anywhere else, people usually don't see it that way. People see art career as the last option, where you can't study. That's where you go. But in reality, that's not it. That's not even close to it. I did art because I was passionate about it and I love doing it. I just didn't want to do a 9 to 5 job in a cubicle or become a doctor or an engineer. I just didn't want that. So that's why I did art. But let's go back to the topic about, is there a scope in graphic design? So, like any normal person, I went on my computer and did some research. I Google searched everything, word to word. Is there a scope in graphic design? Okay, graphic design is a difficult career to go into. It's not like the standard career you just go in, learn something, and get a job and keep on doing it. You just have to keep on learning in this career. You have to keep on growing with the times. If you don't, you fall behind and adios, my friends. You just disappear. So in this career, you gotta keep on learning till the end. But the demand for graphic designers are going up. But how? How is it going up? Making online ads like Instagram, Facebook, designing posts for different companies. That's one of them. This means more businesses are gonna come. And that means more graphic design work is gonna come. Okay, then websites. People are gonna need websites. And graphic designers do that. And most graphic designers go into UX or UI design. So, more jobs. Also, freelancing. There's so many freelancing websites. It's not even funny. That could be a side hustle. And you can make like an extra grand or $2,000 from it a month. But one thing you should know is that graphic design is not about you. It's about the client and what they want and what they need. Just remember that, and all your jobs are going to be 10 times easier because you're just making what they want, not what you want. You can have your style in it a little bit, just a little bit, but at the end of the day, it's what they want. So go out there and start creating. Stress out.